In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Figma to Wix Studio plugin 2020-26 guide. Bridging your creative process from Figma to Wix Studio is a huge time saver because it removes the need to rebuild layouts by hand. We'll move from a polished Figma design to a styled site in Wix Studio, keeping your colors, typography, and layout intact. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. First, prepare your Figma design. Make sure your frames and components are well organized because Wix Studio reads those visual cues to structure your site. Use clear frame names for sections or pages and apply consistent text and color styles across your file. This helps the plugin correctly map your design choices. When everything looks ready, copy the Figma file URL from your browser's address bar. Think of this URL as the key the plugin uses to find and interpret your design. Next, launch the plugin inside Figma. Click the Action button at the center bottom of your Figma workspace. From there, open Plugins and Widgets and search for Figma to Wix Studio. Open the plugin and paste the file URL into the field provided. This links the plugin to the exact file you just prepared, so you're working with the correct source. Now connect Wix Studio to Figma. In your Wix Studio dashboard, open the menu, go to Tools, and select Import from Figma. Click Connect and approve the requested permissions. This secure handshake allows Wix Studio to access your Figma file so it can receive your design data. You're simply granting read access to the assets you've already organized. With the connection in place, it's time to export and apply styles. Switch back to Figma and in the plugin, click Start Export. Select your main website design frame, then choose Export Styles. This bundles your colors, fonts, and layout choices so Wix Studio can read and apply them accurately. When the export finishes, return to Wix Studio and click Apply Styles. Your site will update to reflect the exact typefaces, color tokens, and layout settings from your Figma file. If anything appears off, it usually comes down to frame selection or inconsistent style naming in Figma, so a quick check there typically resolves it. And that's it. You've successfully moved your design from Figma into Wix Studio with your visual system intact.